What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Ventures, September 12th, 2019. Real quick video about Bitcoin. I want to talk about the momentum oscillator, the RSI, which really gives us this picture, this very clear illustration of what the cycles of Bitcoin look like in terms of Bitcoin bear market versus Bitcoin bull market. So we talk about a lot on this channel, and here's the RSI in the middle of the screen, this white momentum oscillator. We talk about the bear market being under that 40 to 50 line on the RSI. And this is the weekly chart, by the way. And you get a really clear sense of what the bear market looks like in terms of an RSI momentum oscillator. There's the 2014 to 15 bear market. Here's the 2018, to 2019 bear market over here. And you get a clear picture of what it looks like in terms of the momentum of Bitcoin. Then we get a good picture of what Bitcoin looks like exiting the bear market and within a bull market, right? So it really gives us guidance in terms of what to look for, especially in terms of support for Bitcoin in these cycles of Bitcoin, right? So what I mean by that is if we exited this bear market on the momentum oscillator back here and we came back down all the way below the 40 line, maybe we wouldn't be so keen to say that we're out of the bear market. This time around, same thing. We've come out of the bear market territory, right into that overbought area just below it, and we've come back down, and we're right at that support above the 40 to 50 line on the RSI. So if history repeats itself, I want to say this. Bitcoin, most likely, you won't be able to purchase at around $10,000 ever again after Bitcoin takes off. Similarly, the last time you were able to purchase Bitcoin at around $500 some back in 2016 of September, that was the last time. And we're at a very, very similar area right now in terms of the momentum of Bitcoin. And we're actually moving a little quicker. The quickness of Bitcoin is determined by looking at this long-term cycle resistance, right? So we use our Fibonacci retracement to do that on the weekly chart. So here we go, our 618 to 786, and let me open this up so it's more clear. Resistance right here, right? Number one, that was a huge part for Bitcoin to enter the bull market, to break that area. Number two, same exact Fibonacci retracement in the cycles of Bitcoin. Again, huge area to break for Bitcoin to enter the bull market. Now, the picture of how quick Bitcoin is moving is basically determined by what we see on the RSI. So Bitcoin exited the bear market back here on the RSI, right? We saw some resistance and then we came back down. It took forever, not forever, but it took a long time to get to this Fibonacci retracement that we see right here on the Bitcoin charts. This time around, Bitcoin exited the bear market and basically went right up to this Fibonacci retracement. Bitcoin is moving quicker, and then we've consolidated back down just above the 50 line on the weekly RSI, similar to what we did back in that last phase of Bitcoin transferring to the bull market. And so here we are. And that is why there's a very, very good chance, a strong likelihood that this might be the last time you get to purchase Bitcoin in that $10,000 range. So take that for what it is. It's just data that I'm throwing out there. My opinion is, even if we went down one more time, a strong little move down to $8,000-9,000, that will be the last time in this range, $10,000 range, people will be able to purchase Bitcoin, because from there, I think it is clear what is going to happen. The momentum oscillators that you see in the middle of the screen paint a really nice picture of the bull market that might lie ahead. Let me know your thoughts. If you're here right now and you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.